Should only reopen when the daily percentage of confirmed COVID-19 cases have reduced consistently for at least 14 days, which we call in medical terms flattening of the curve, which has just been referred to by the physician who is in charge of this process. C, social and physical distancing is actually the most critical factor in ensuring safety and health of our learners for the reopening of the learning institutions. And I would like to add that His Excellency the President took the children to school through the 100% transition. And to most people, they think 100% transition means you take the people who have passed the exam. But what we actually did is we went to the people and took the children who are not in school to the various places that they should have gone. If you are supposed to be in Form 3, you went to Form 3. If you are supposed to be in Standard 7, you went to Standard 7. So we have the children at school. Hand washing with soap and or use of sanitizers, wearing of masks properly, and monitoring of body temperature. Here again, it's important to remember that you use the gun, not something that will be touching the body like in the past. So we shall be using the gun to ensure safety of learners. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Kenya is rising steadily, and up to yesterday we recorded 8,067. The highest daily number of cases was reported only 3 days ago on the 4th of July and was 389. Ladies and gentlemen, based on this very disturbing trend, stakeholders have shelved the initial proposal to reopen basic education learning institutions in September for Standard 8 and Form 4 candidate classes because of the following reasons. Number one, there will be 2 Form 1 classes in 2021 academic year. The country will experience very severe equity challenges which may be constitutional in nature when only 2 basic education classes reopen and transition while all the other children lose the year. Although the 2020 Form 4 cohort will have left, the total number of candidature in Form 4 is 752,000 as compared to approximately 1.2 million in Standard 8, which would mean then that even if we had the intention of using the space left by Form 4, we would be having a deficit of in excess of 438,000. Therefore, it shall be difficult, in fact not difficult, it will be impossible to achieve social distancing.
Kenya's Education Minister says schools should either refund parents the school fees paid for this academic year or agree to put it towards next year. George Magoha was responding to concerns raised after his announcement on Tuesday that primary and secondary schools will not reopen until 2021 as coronavirus cases in the country are rising. All right, we're going to go for a quick break. More news for you thereafter.